Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Wednesday morning forecast update. Once again, we do find ourselves under the threat for some severe weather today, and it still looks like everybody needs to be on high alert. Once we get to about noon today, the morning will be just fine, but our severe weather threat will be confined to the afternoon and evening hours today. And again, the threat remains some high winds, some large hail, but a few tornadoes possible as well. And that tornado threat will be a little bit higher east of Interstate 49. You can see there is an enhanced risk, which kind of butts up to a few of our counties and parishes from Columbia County down through Bienville and Claiborne Parish. There will be another update to this just after 7 a.m. this morning, so it will be interesting to see if the enhanced risk is pulled maybe further back to the west here. But either way, most of us still in that slight risk, which means some scattered severe weather is likely to occur today. And what we'll be on the lookout for initially with the storms will be some large hail, talking quarter as well as golf ball sized hail. And as the storms start to mature or grow, we'll see wind threat as well, with wind gusts between 60 and 70 miles per hour. And a few tornadoes will be possible, especially in that enhanced risk area east of Interstate 49. And that would mainly be during the mid to late afternoon and early evening hours here. We could see rainfall accumulations up to about 1 inch, but this is a pretty quick moving storm system, pretty narrow window to see the severe weather, so we do not expect to see any kind of flash flood threat today. So we've had just a little bit of rain this morning. Here's our area of low pressure. That's what's going to start bringing the necessary ingredients for those strong to severe storms today, and we'll also drag this cold front across the region as well. So we're dealing with multiple factors here which can contribute to that thunderstorm development. So one of those being the warm temperatures that we have as well. We should be in the 70s for much of the day today. Here's a look at your Robin's Futurecast. So it does start to develop the storms maybe by late morning or early afternoon. Notice the storms really strengthen as they get over towards the Texas and Louisiana border. So Texarkana, it looks like early afternoon when you'll see the worst of the weather, and you can see the storms really strengthening as they move through Shreveport mid-afternoon. And again, the severe weather threat, at least the tail end of it, moving through Sabine as well as Natchitoches parishes closer to sunset tonight. So we should see that severe weather threat wrap up pretty quickly after sunset, and again, clearing skies for most locations tonight. We'll have warm, dry conditions tomorrow, but there are some more thunderstorms in the forecast on Friday. As far as the temperatures, very warm, mid to upper 60s this morning, and then a little bit later today, we will wind up in the 70s. It is going to stay breezy. We do expect the winds will be gusting between 20 and 30 miles per hour out of the south and southwest today. So again, we'll have an opportunity to warm into the 80s here in Natchitoches. The cold front will get here with the storms early enough that most of us will top out in the mid to upper 70s this afternoon. So definitely a warm and humid day for us. Warm and humid tomorrow as well. We do have a warm front. This cold front that moves through actually coming back north as a warm front on Friday, so that is going to bring the chance of a few more strong storms Friday afternoon through Friday night. Looks like wind and hail would be the main risk there, but we do dry out in time for the weekend. There could be a little bit of lingering rain Saturday morning, but the weekend looking pretty nice for us as we'll have warm temperatures and yet some more rain on the way early next week.